Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. In HP, when you connect adapter in DC jack, light will glow. Why? White, yellow, brown. What it does? Want to know how HP motherboard will work start to end? If yes, this video is for you. Now onwards, I am going to teach you the complete working principle of HP LA-K201P. If you want it in Hindi language, it's already started in my YouTube channel. Open YouTube search column and there you have to type the repair facts. Then you will get my channel. Just go to subscribe and here the bell is all. So then you have to enter here. Then go to video and you can see all of my videos from part 1 to part 7 at present. So part 8 is going on. So continuously A to Z videos you will get. Let's start from the beginning. DC jack. Here is the complete motherboard image of GPT52 LA-K201P. It may be top or bottom, whatever it may be. This is one side of the motherboard and other side of the motherboard is here. Okay, see other side it has very less component. Here we are able to see one IC and other than that only capacitor and resistors are able to see here, some MOSFETs. It's actually VIN section. Okay, it's very easy. It's actually 10th generation motherboard. Compared to first, second or previous generations motherboards, it's very tough components we are able to see in previous motherboards, but nowadays it's a very simple one and little bit complicated because it's one IC will do multiple of work. So that's the reason you are able to see very less components in latest motherboards. Okay, now we will start from DC jack. This is the particular motherboard DC jack. I am going to start DC jack pin to pin from the beginning, from pin number 1 to 8, and the motherboard start from DC jack to display. So all the things you are able to see now onwards in this particular YouTube channel. Okay, so let us check. I'll open the schematic, and in schematic what you are going to see. Here is the schematic. This is the first page, GPT52 MB. It's a compile confidential. It's a compile. Compile company has designed this particular motherboard. So it's a LA-K201P 2020-09 and 18 revision 1 is the date. For DC jack, you need to go to, it's what you have to check. See here in the motherboard image PJP1 has given. So in schematic we need to go to search PJP. Just a minute, you need to go to Control F, PJP1. If you enter this, so you will get the DC jack page. So pin to pin, see the complete page is a different function. It does a different function. Each and every page has different function. That's the reason they have given separate pages. Okay, to better understand, so you need to watch these videos. Okay, now I am going to explain this particular page, what it contains. So I'll make it big, then you are able to see. It's a very big font. See, this page contains the battery one, and here DC connection. Okay, Compile Electronics DC connection. DC connection, how it looks and what it contains. See, here is the DC jack in the motherboard. See, in the motherboard, here is the mark actually. See, here is the white mark. From here, the pin number will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In schematic, here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 pins are there. Okay. Here 1 and 2 are the red cable. I'll repeat, 1 and 2 are red cable. Both will join together here, and 3 and 4 are the black cable that goes to ground. It's a positive and negative. So what it means? It's a positive and negative. What it means? It means a circuit is going to build. A circuit is going to build. I'll repeat once again. A circuit, complete circuit is going to build with voltage and current. Okay, it's a game of voltage and current. how much voltage you are going to the particular circuits. It has multiple circuit. It will go here, from here it will divide and it goes to particular circuits. It depends on their requirement. The voltage and current will divide, and it gives the appropriate voltage and current to the particular circuits to work or to give the load work, okay, and to give the appropriate result. Each and every circuit has load, so according to that load the current and voltage will vary. Okay, this is the concept here. It's a positive and negative as given. Okay, other than this, here what is that, pin number 5 is empty, there is no connection at all. So once again I'll show you the DC jack, how it looks. See here, this is the DC jack, how it looks. See, 1, 2 are red, 3, 4 are black, 5th one is not connected. Here 1, 2 are red, 3, 4 are black, 5th one is not connected, 6th is the brown, yellow, and it's a light radium color green. We think it is a yellow, okay. Then it's a white, okay, color whatever it may be. So this is the white, radium green and brown. These are separate cables. You won't be able to see in Dell or some other, in Toshiba or any other laptops. You are unable to see these kind of cables. Only in HP you are able to see. Why? So that's the reason I'm going to explain here. Here is the light actually. This is the DC jack. It's in middle pin is a adapter ID section, and here it's outside is the negative one, and here outside this radiation is there now, so that column is for positive one. Okay, it's for red, and this one is black, and here there is no connection. Brown is for what, and this radium green and white is for what, we will check in the schematic. Okay, here is the motherboard connection, red, black, no connection, brown, green, or what is that, radium green, here is the white. Okay, now we will move to schematic. In schematic, see, the brown is adapter signal, adapter ID. Okay, and next green, what is that, radium green or yellow, whatever it may be, that is a charging LED. Sorry, that is a charging LED. See here, it's a pin number 7 is the charge LED. And last one, the white color light you will get now. So that one is for AC in LED. Now you come to know what the DC jack, what it does. So what are these signals and from where you will get. So in deeply in future classes you are able to see. I mean, you can understand easily. Now this is a DC jack. It has total 8 pin, 1 and 2 red, 3 and 4 is black, 5th not connected, 6th one is for adapter ID, 7th one is for charging LED, that amber light will come now, that one, and 8th one is for what? It's a AC LED, it's a white one. Okay, here is the conclusion of PJP1. But from here onwards, what it will give, what circuit it will go, and what are the voltage divider it will happen. So those things we will discuss. Okay, so now using this DC jack, what voltage will produce? See, directly 1 and 2, what it has connected here, a ESD diode, 3-leg ESD diode has connected. It's for voltage protection. So regarding this, in future I will tell you, independently I will start on component related videos. There I will explain all the things. Okay, it's protecting two terminals. One is for it's 19 or 20 volts what we are getting from adapter, that one, and other one is adapter signal. Okay, it's a 2-in-1. It's a 1 is ground, 2 and 3 is a separate one. One is 19 volts and the other one is adapter ID signal. So here we got 19 volts adapter in. Okay, and here we got two capacitors. Why? Capacitor, what it does? It does filtering work. So filtering in the sense, it allows AC to ground. It means unwanted noise will generate here. So we don't want noise anything here. If we get noise, we will get humming sound. Sound will come now. That sound you will get. Okay. To avoid those kind of sound before filtering or after filtering, I mean before entering to some other component, there will be one or two capacitor or more also. Okay, and after the production, after converting the voltage, there also one or two or multiple capacitors you will get for filtering purpose. What filter? It's a humming sound filter. Okay, now you got my point, right? So here it will filter. If any noise will come, that one will filter to ground, and pure DC will come to here. Here what is that? Two coils are there. It should be there 5 amps, 5 amps, two coils will be there. That one will create electromagnetic energy for this 19 volts adapter, and it will boost. It won't reduce the, see, if you take a coil from end to from beginning to end, if you check, so there will be loss of energy at the end point. So to boost that energy, these capacitors, sorry, these coils will work. Okay, so that's the reason these coils are used here. After what is it producing electromagnetic energy, so it got boosted here. After boost also we can get the what is that, noise kind of things. So filter those things. So here two filter capacitors are used. So finally what we got? We got 19 V in. So note down this, in this what is that page, we got 19 V in. Okay, and next here, see, same one, same ESD also given here. For what? One is charging and AC LED, charge LED, AC LED. Adapter already we got, and here 19 volts also we got, and other two also it has used ESD LED. For what? For protection purpose. Okay, now we come to adapter signal. See, this adapter signals is connected here also, because the same name, if same name is applicable, the same continuation will be there. Okay, here and here same continuation will be there. So now adapter signal will go through this voltage divider, and the voltage will produce here, divider voltage will produce as a adapter ID. So for that, one more thing is given here. Here is a Zener diode. Zener diode will give constant voltage. What voltage is required, that voltage here you will get. Okay, approximate 0.8 volts to 1.2 volts in practical you come to know in HP motherboard while doing the troubleshootings. So there will be a particular voltage for adapter signals. Okay, that adapter ID will go to page number 58. It has IO, embedded controller. Okay, this adapter ID signal will go to embedded controller. So now what we got in first using that red, we got 19 volts V in. This is a one voltage, and second voltage what we got, adapter ID, that is a signal, we call it as a signal, and that will go to IO, embedded controller. Here is the Zener diode to get the constant voltage here. Okay, so here is the voltage divider, here is the adapter signal. Now here two more are there. What is that? AC LED. See, this is coming from the page number 58. 58 is the sense IO, embedded controller, right? So from there what IO will give, AC LED ash will give. See, this is the output from the IO. It's coming to this particular connector, where AC in LED, which number? See the adapter ID, AC in LED is the pin number 8. Now you understood, right? Light from where it will come? The white light will come from IO. If it gives the signal AC LED ash signal, then only you will get the white LED. Okay, when you connect immediately you won't get it. So many voltage it has to produce, then IO has to work, and then IO will release this kind of outputs. This is IO output. Okay, at present it has come from IO. That much only you have to note down. Here is a pull down resistor 100K, and here 0 ohms, and finally it's connected to the AC in LED pin number 8. Now it's a pin number 7, charge LED. Charge LED, it's coming from bad charge LED signal output from IO. Okay, see, this is signal output from IO. So now we got all the points here. 1 and 2 red, here it's a black, it's a 19 volts V in, here is the ground, and here not connected. 6 is adapter signal, charge LED from IO. What is that? Ampere LED. The phone's battery is charging, so that signal will pass to this particular pin. Okay, this one will get off and this one will show. When there is no battery, then it will get off and AC LED will show. It's vice versa. Okay, once battery is charging, then only that charge LED it will glow amber light, means it's orange color light. When charge is completed, then it will cut off and AC LED will come, not all together. Okay, if any error will come, then you will get, I think so. So anyway, so now you got to know how you will get the AC LED and battery charging LED, amber and white. So now it's clear, right? So now one more it has given here, it's adapter I. Adapter I is the output from IO. See, adapter I, output from IO, that one is giving as a voltage divider, and here is the thermal information is going to IO again. It's a adapter pro chart, processor heart. It's one kind of thermal information is going to IO. Okay, from where it's coming, it's adapter I, and it's dividing as a voltage divider. That voltage divider volts is going to adapter, so IO, page number 58. And one more is there, it's a very, very important section. See, 3 volts always EC. When we'll get 3 volts always EC, then here it's a variable resistor. So through this voltage divider, we will get two more signals which going to IO. Okay, now you got it. So this voltage we not yet get, so in future you will get this, also you will get in the future. So now what are the things we got? We got in this page 19 volts V in 1, and second one is adapter ID, and here AC LED, battery charge LED, adapter I not yet got, this one and this one and this one for IO, but IO it's not yet connected, right? So in future you come to know, but before that you need to note down in Excel. In Excel you have to note down 19 volts, adapter ID, this and all. What are the IO signals and what are the main voltage section from the DC jack. Okay, if you note down in Excel, it will be very easy to identify the circuits voltage and signals. So I will teach you how to open Excel and how to make a note in future videos. Okay, now this is the beginning. If I tell you more, you will get confused, so that's why I'm going to end this video here itself. So if you have any doubts, you can put it in comment, so I will try to solve it. Actually these videos are bonus videos to our PLC students, because we are providing private videos along with this bonus videos. Okay, if anybody wants to join our PLC, you are always welcome. You can reach us through Telegram or WhatsApp, already given in the link, okay, or on the screen I'll provide. Okay, that's it. In next, what is that? Next, it's a battery connector. In next videos we'll start from the battery. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.